In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Google Calendar with Calendly. Connecting these two tools is really important if you want your scheduling to run smoothly and avoid double bookings. Once they're synced, Calendly can automatically check your Google Calendar for existing events and only show people the times you're actually available. Let's get started inside Calendly. First, make sure you're logged into your Calendly account in your browser. From your main Calendly dashboard, look toward the main navigation area and find the section for integrations and apps. This is where Calendly keeps all of the connections to other tools, including Google Calendar. Go ahead and click on Integrations and Apps to open that page. Once the integrations page loads, you'll see a list or grid of different tools that can connect with Calendly. At the top, there should be a search bar or a filter. In that search field, start typing Google Calendar. As you type, Calendly will narrow down the options and highlight the Google Calendar integration so you don't have to scroll through everything manually. When you see Google Calendar appear in the list of results, click on it. This opens a dedicated Google Calendar integration screen where you can start the connection process. Take a second here to confirm that you're selecting Google Calendar and not a different calendar tool, just to avoid confusion later. On this integration screen, you'll see a button that begins the setup. In this case, click on the button labeled Get It Now, or whatever similar call to action is shown for connecting Google Calendar. This is Calendly's way of starting the authorization process between your Google account and your Calendly account. After clicking that button, you'll be guided through a series of on-screen prompts. Follow these carefully. You'll likely be asked to choose which Google account you want to connect, especially if you're signed into multiple accounts in your browser. Select the correct one, then review the permissions that Calendly is requesting. These usually include permission to view and manage your calendars so it can read your schedule and add events for new bookings. Click Allow to confirm. Once you've completed these prompts, Calendly should confirm that your Google Calendar is connected. From there, you can double check your settings in Calendly to make sure it's using the right calendar for availability and for adding new events. And that's it. Your Google Calendar and Calendly are now working together to keep your schedule in sync.